Hey guys, welcome to today's workout. We have an inner thigh and a little sprinkle of abs workout today. We're going to start side lying. Top leg's going to come over like a grasshopper. Upper body can do whatever it likes, whether it's a hand all the way out, whatever feels comfortable. We're lifting up with the bottom leg. This is our inner thigh lift. Beautiful start. So it's going to be an absolute killer workout today. So enjoy this while we're here. Thinking about really pulling with that inner part of our leg. Well done. We're here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Flipping over onto our back. Arms reach up towards the ceiling, press overhead, pull down, crunch. This is part 1. We're going to start adding the legs. This is going to be called a straddle jackknife. As our hands come over, our legs extend down from tabletop. As our arms come up, crunch, legs open, straddle, crunch through. Press back, extend, push through, straddle. Repeat. We're not here for long. Let's go for 10, 9, 8. Exhale on the up, inhale on the way down. 7, 1. Last one, all the way down, rolling on over to the other side for some inner thigh. Exact same as the other side, grasshopper leg or recovery leg, inner thigh lifts. Thinking about pulling with that inner thigh part. Killer start already. We're here for 10, 9, 8, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rolling onto the back. Similar but different movement. Have our nutcrackers. Start with that crunch again. Arms extend overhead, roll up, roll down. Option to float the legs to tabletop. As we come up, open the legs to the side. As we roll back, knees come together. Push up, straddle, still in tabletop legs. Push back, arms come above head. This is nutcracker. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Legs stay with it. Arms rest down. Open to the side. Pull these thigh lies. Whew. Well done. We've got 10 left. 5, 3, 2, back to nutcrackers. Extend the arms up, legs come in, arms extend back. I'm feeling the burn now. I wonder how you guys are going. at home, because this is absolute killer for the inner thighs. We're here for 3, 2. Next time you're up in the crunch, stay there, pulse. Can you reach further with your hands? Keeping active through the inner thighs, don't just flop out. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax down, long stretch, knees can come even side to side, because we are done for today. Congratulations on that super speedy inner thigh and ab workout. Feel free to check out some of our stretch videos, and I will see you next time. Bye.